Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Cheeds. And today we're making steak and eggs. First thing first, for our steak, we're going to do what's called a dry brine. If you don't know what that is already, it's where you salt the steak and you let the salt melt and dissolve with the juices, and then it soaks it back up. So we're gonna salt this a pretty good amount. Pat it in. Use the edges to scrape off some of the salts on the side. Flip it over and season the other side. So the science behind this is the salt is going to draw out the moisture in the meat. The meat is then going to dissolve the salt, and then it's going to absorb the liquid back with the salt, thereby flavoring the meat inside and out. Alright, that's what it should look like there. And after making sure it's completely covered and seasoned with the amount of salt you want, we're going to put it in the fridge for a minimum of an hour, but up to overnight is better. After about an hour, we're going to take it out. I'm only doing an hour because I need to make this now. We're going to add some freshly cracked black pepper. And some garlic powder. And then we flip and do the same thing on the other side. And make sure you use the edges to get any seasoning that was left over. And that's your steak. Because it was only in there for an hour, you see some of the salt crystals still there. But a lot of it has melted and been reabsorbed into the steak. Now we're going to add some oil to the pan. We're going to crack in 2 eggs. Add some black pepper. And a little bit of smoked paprika. After cooking them for a little bit, we're going to take them off and plate them. For those of you taking time out of your day to watch this video, I just wanted to say thank you. I appreciate your support. Now back to the video. Now for the steak, we're going to go on with the same thing. Go on with some oil. We're going to lay our steak in the pan and press down. After letting it cook for about a minute, we're going to flip it over. Start cooking the other side. Then you're going to want to go in with some butter. I'm using some garlic and herb butter. After another minute has passed, we're going to flip the steak over again. We're going to start basting. Baste for about 30 seconds. We'll flip it over again and baste again. After basting it for about 3 minutes, we're going to take it off the heat and put it on our plate to serve. And that is the steak and eggs. Time for the taste test. So it begins. Alright, let's try these steak and eggs. Alrighty. Look at that cross section there. Perfect medium rare. Bon appetit. That was the best steak and eggs I've had in a minute. And of course, it's most definitely Chidolicious. If you like the video, make sure you like the video. Comment what you think of my steak and eggs recipe. Is this too rare for you? I know some people don't like their steak this rare, but you know, that's what it is. Anyways, I look forward to conversating with you guys in the comments. Until next time, YouTube, peace.